Can you just introduce yourself?
Hello, everyone. I'm Rafael Ladeia. I'm a Brazilian immigrant living in Portugal for almost 6 years. I'm a lawyer registered in Portugal, in Brazil. And here I work with nationality process, like Portuguese nationality process, immigrant documents, like companies, family, so a lot of things.
Like it's something like any kind of immigration laws or immigration situation, people can come to you and get help.
Yeah, for sure.
Perfect. Nice. So we can maybe ask this question to you. It's what are the common ways to live and get Portuguese residence right now?
I cannot say the common ways,
Okay.
but the most used ways
Mhm.
to get residence in Portugal. People used to come to Portugal as tourists
Yeah.
and then start a process here in Portugal, getting some Portuguese documents and then submitting an application in the CEF IMA website.
Yeah.
It's not the ideal process because it takes a lot of time. This is the most common way. The best way to come to Portugal is with the proper visa, a visa that is adequate to your proposal. Suppose that you want to study in Portugal, you need to submit application for a student visa.
Yeah.
If you want to work in Portugal, you can submit for a visa to look for a job. If you already have or receive a job proposal, you can submit for a
Work
visa. Yes, a work visa. So there are a lot of possibilities to get a visa.
Definitely. If somebody comes with a C-type visa, which is a tourist visa, that's also valid to ask for a residence after work. Like,
yes, it's valid to come as tourist and start a process here. But the problem is during this time that you're waiting for approval, you may be in problems to get some document. Like maybe you can get problems to open a bank account,
yeah.
get like a UTENTI number. It's a little bit difficult to get a good life,
Yeah.
like a real citizen.
Like a normal citizen.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Suppose you don't have like a visa and the residence permit. So maybe you can be in problem to go to the police, make a complaint. So something happened with your life, a normal life, and you cannot solve this problem because you're not legal in this country. So this can be a problem for you.
Yeah, that's true. That's very true. Is there any uncommon ways to get legal in Portugal? For example, if somebody gets sick.
Yes, there's lots of possibilities doing like a treatment in Portugal, a medical treatment. But in this possibility, the person needs to prove that he cannot come back to his country to do his treatment. Like he
That's
needs
very
to.
hard to prove.
Yes, because must be a real situation and you need to prove that. So another uncommon way, I cannot say uncommon, I can say like difficult way because it's a very bureaucratic process like asylum.
Asylum.
It's very difficult because there's a lot of steps. You need to prove a lot of
So
things.
is it 1, 2, 3 article?
I don't remember by heart.
Okay.
There's a lot of articles, but
Okay.
we can consult in law 23 from 2007.
No, because sometimes people ask questions because not everybody has visa. Some people come from UK with a like white passport. Like white passport means the passport doesn't have any
Yes,
visa.
yes.
Those cases are very delicate. It takes a lot of time to get anything done.
Yes.
In that case, what people should do when they first arrive in Portugal?
Depends on the situation. It's possible to start a process to apply for residence here. But at first we need some Portuguese documents.
Like
NIS is the Segurança Social number,
Yeah.
like proof of residence, a job contract, salary slips, basically documents. But who comes to Portugal without a visa, it's very important to present 12 full contributions in Segurança Social. And what is the full contributions? Is a contribution paid to Segurança Social based on in a minimum wage. Nowadays, the minimum wage is 820. You need to pay proportional to this amount. Doesn't work if the person has a job contract and work like part-time. Doesn't work.
Full-time work or tax.
Yes. And the person like was a sick for like 3 months and doesn't contribute for this period. So doesn't work. Must be 12 full contribution.
There cannot be any stop in the middle. But there is like a vacation. How that works then?
But vacation is paid.
Oh yeah, it's great, right?
So this is not a problem.
Yeah.
The problem if the person doesn't have like full contributions.
So
This
the-
amount must be proportional.
So after the full contribution of 12 taxes, they can apply.
No, they can apply immediately when
Okay.
he get all the documents to submit to the residence application. It's not necessary to wait like 12 contributions to start a process. If the person has like submit the passport, visa or not visa,
Yeah.
a residence certificate from Junta de Freguesia,
Yeah.
NIF, segurança social, job contract or activity in finanças,
Okay.
salary slips or recibos verdes, so and boss declaration. It's possible to submit application and then wait until be approval, get the appointment, present the original documents,
Yeah.
and then receive the card.
But that takes like, usually it doesn't work with 12, like takes a lot of time nowadays.
Yes, nowadays takes like, suppose that you start in a process right now, you take like 2.5 years, 3 years. We don't know, but I'm talking at this moment. They calling who did the self entry, the manifestação de interesse, February 2022. So 2 years to get appointment, present the original documents, and then receive the card. So
Yeah.
2.5 years, 3 years, something like this.